All right, this one is a tricky problem, and honestly, thanks to a student, she taught me a better way to do this. So a car starts from rest at a stop sign and accelerates at 2 meters per second for 4.6 seconds. Now, if you think of this graphically, this is the new thoughts here. You've got velocity and you've got time, and they're going to accelerate at 2 meters per second for 4.6 seconds. So I'm going to see that's 4.6 right there. And then it coasts for 3 seconds. So that means he's going to have a constant velocity for 3 more seconds. So the gap here is 3 seconds. And then they're going to slow down to a stop. Now, if you recall, something we learned in the videos or whatever is that the area, it's asking for the total distance, how far apart are the sign, is if you think of this as 3 different areas, this is a triangle, so it's 1/2 base times height. So is this, and of course this is a rectangle. So what you really need to know is you need to know what this V is. If this starts at V of 0, what's this V right here? So you can use, we have a time, right? That's 4.6 seconds. I didn't draw this to scale very well, by the way. You can use equation 2, we like to call V2 equals V1 plus AT, and you're solving for V2, right? And we know V1 is 0 plus the acceleration, they gave that to us, was 2.0 times 4.6. So 4.6 times 2, V2 is 9.2. Right? So if we know that's 9.2, that this right here, right there, is 9.2, then to find the area of this green triangle, that'll be 1/2 times the base, 4.6, times 9.2. Find that answer, some number. Now this next one's super easy because this is 9.2 and this is 3 or 3.01. So 3.01 times 9.2, because it's a rectangle, that's a 2, and that gives you a number. Now for this triangle, we don't know the time. So we know that your starting velocity is 2. We're going to reuse this equation, V2 equals V1 plus AT, but what's V1? V1 is 9.2 because that's where he's going at the beginning of his motion for the third shape, the second triangle here. And V2, he's going to what? To a stop, so that's 0 equals plus A, and they gave us the A is 2.3, but he slows down, so that's negative 2.3 times T. Then you'll solve for T, that equals some number, and then of course it'll be 1/2 base times height. Plug those numbers in, and then the answer is the sum of these numbers.